Oh, beautiful people, I'm back. So, after we have finished the drop down design using Adobe XD, so we are going to convert our design to code. So, let's get going. We're gonna head straight into the code. This is how the folder is gonna look. Okay, we're gonna have index HTML like that. So I added some links in order to use some fonts and some icons. So I added fonts Open Sans, and also we need some icons. That's why I added font awesome here. And we're gonna have style CSS, which is empty. We just remove the margins and the paddings on everything. So let's start. We're gonna have the dev section. Dev called dropdown, okay, which is all the content. Okay, let's go back to index HTML, and we are going to add div class drop down underscore select that's gonna be this one. Okay, it will have inside the span plus selected Adobe XD. Let's add the icon. Let's add icon. Plus angle down. If you don't memorize the HTML of the font awesome, so you can go to font awesome, it's wait, and search for it'll app. We used this one before, so here it is. You can copy this code from here and let's remove this and paste it here. We need to add this list, so we're going to create div, not div, but we need to use list. This one called class drop down underscore menu. Let's add li also. So class item and for each ref it's called class dropdown underscore item dropdown. So it's duplicated 5 times. Okay, and the first one it will be primer, and the second I think sketch, and no, second it will be Figma, and the second sketch, Adobe HD, and the last one it will be Adobe Photoshop. We check our server as you see here, so it's look weird and very ugly, so that's why we are going to style everything. Okay, let's start off with the body. Okay, we're gonna display text, align item center, and justify content center. Okay, you see. What else I'm gonna add? So overflow it will be hidden, and also I need some margin top and bottom to be 10 here, and also I need the background to be gray color, background color. Let's grab the code. I need this code. Boom. So let's see. Okay, what else I'm gonna add? So let's copy this. Okay, and style it up. So oops, display flex, and also align item center, and with the 248 pixel, and padding, and I need the padding 50 pixel top and the bottom, and left and right 20 pixel. Okay, background color white color, as you see in live server. Let's add the border 1 pixel solid. Okay, we need the color to be like that. E, Y, C, R. So we need the radius to be for the radius 10 pixel 10 pixel. Font size will be 18 pixel, and also font family open sans CSS as default, and also color to be hashtag HD959 F okay. So we need the arrow to be on the right. Let's style it up and grab the it's called this one. Copy and paste it here as a class. Font size 2 pixel, and color the same this one. Okay. And also we and margin left auto, and important. Boom. So if I remove display flex from this class, see what happened. You see the arrow doesn't work with this margin left auto, so we should add display flex, and boom. When I click on it, I need some effect. Okay, so drag down, select active, transform scale 0.8. You see, it's nice. And also you need the drop down, select hover. When I hover, the border color, it will be blue, and the shadow. So I'm gonna add border. Color. I'm gonna add border color. Let's crop the color. Copy the color. Copy. let's add with cakes dot border color for the Chrome browser. So let's add book shadow. Let's add book shadow 0.20 gram and add RGB Let's try now. Let's see this. And check. Boom. Let's style up. Let's style up the drop down list of the contents. Okay. Let's see. Let's style up this one. Color. And color. And we need to add border radius 10 pixel. 10 pixel. Yes. And finally I'm going to add margin pixel 0. So let's style up this. So each rip, it's called dropdown item. I'm gonna add text decoration, text decoration to be none. Let's see, boom, and also font size 8 pixel, font size, and font family, open sans and sans serif, and color to be with the same as we did before. let's check our server code. So we need to add some padding. Okay, so drop down menu li. So padding 15 pixel on the top and 0 pixel and 0 pixel right, and 15 pixel at the bottom and 20 pixel on the left. So good, nice, very nice. I'm gonna add also box sizing, border box. Okay, good. And so we need to add the line between Adobe XD and Photoshop. Let's create it and style it up. Drop down menu, drop down menu li colon last underscore child double colon before. So here I used the pseudo element, okay, which is this item. I need to add the line, as I said before, between Adobe XD and Adobe Photoshop. I add contents, so I keep it empty. I'm gonna add width 100%, also height, it will be 1 pixel, okay, and also background color. I need hashtag this color, and also I need to add the position absolute, okay. So, okay, let's add inside drop down menu position relative. Okay, let's check out our server. Boom, that's okay. So let's style it up a little bit. So I need to add left to be 0. You see that? Good, awesome. And also the bottom will be 5. I think let's try 45 for example. Okay, 45 pixel, 45 pixel. Let's move it up a little bit. Good, it seems good, perfect, I like it. Awesome, this is awesome. Let's continue. So now we are going to add a hover effect. So drop down menu li colon hover selector. Let's add the background color. it will be, so let's pick color from Adobe XD, copy and go back to our editor, paste it here. So let's check out our server, refresh it. That's fine, perfect. Before we jump into JavaScript, we need to do some changes on our drop-down menu. We need to do some changes. So the first thing we are going to do is the arrow. Here we have the arrow, so it's up. We need it to be down. So we change it a little bit. So here I want it down. So let's change the name down. Save it. Let's see. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. And also we need to hide this drop-down list. Okay, so I'm going to add here the display. Save it and refresh it. Now it's time to move all the components. So when I click on the arrow, it appears the drop-down list here, and the arrow is changing. So what I'm gonna do, let's crop the name of this class and type constant arrow document open the parentheses and paste the class. Save. Okay, and also let's add arrow dot add I'm going to add a class. So here dot angle down dot show. So here we need this arrow, so we need this arrow down to be up. So I'm going to add transform. So rotate. I need this probably, and also I need the animation transition. So transform 0.3 second. Easy in out, save it, and let's go back to JavaScript. So here I need arrow point we need to add the class list. So before we do that, let's test our JavaScript. Its work. Console.log. Let's type something. It works. Let's check it out. Our server. Inspect. Then good. It works. This is awesome. So what we are going to add is the arrow dot class list dot toggle. It's called show, so I'm gonna add it here. Show. Save. Boom. You see that? That's fine. It's pretty good. Okay. So what's next are we going to do? When I click on arrow, I need to appear the drop down list here. Okay, so let's go back to the style CSS. Where is the drop down menu? It's here. So we need to add drop down menu dot active. So we're having here display none. So we are going to add display. We need it to be block. Okay. Let's save it. Save. Okay. And also we are going to add the copy drop down menu and let's do variable here. For example, drop list plus document dot query selector. Document query selector. Open the parameters. Dot last drop down menu. Okay. Save it. And also we are going to add the drop down list dot. We need to add the class list. That's toggle. Okay. Open the parameters and it's called active. Save. Check out. Let's check this out. Boom. Wow, it's pretty good. That's fine. Awesome. I like it. So let's close this. So now what should I do? When I click on one of these items, for example, when I click on sketch, for example, it appears here sketch in the text box. It will be displayed here. Okay, so let's do it. What do we need? Okay, so let's grab this class, copy this class. paste in. Let's call it for example list text equals document dot query selected open parenthesis dot paste the class here and close it. Okay. So we need to add a loop. Okay, so we are going to use for we need item for example of no. I missed am I missing something? Yes. We need to call dropdown items. So be careful because we have a lot of dropdown items. So here we have a list. So I will show you content dropdown, for example item equal document. Here we need to add a query selector all because we have a list. Dot dropdown items. Okay. So now it's time to add for item of dropdown item. Okay. And item dot add even listener. Click and add function here. We are going to name it for example show item. Show item. So let's create a function here. Let's call show item. So I'm gonna paste it here. Okay. So let's check out if this function Figma, you see that it's disappeared quickly. Okay, so here we need to add event dot prevent default. We try again. Console upload 1 2 3. Save it and refresh our browser. Let's try again. Let's click on Figma. Boom, I got it. It doesn't disappear quickly. Okay, so we made it. So let's continue. I need this list text. Okay, list text, this file dot inner html equal this text content. I think content, yes, content. Let's try. Refresh our browser and close this. Let's click on Figma. Boom, I got it. It's display. Yeah, it's displayed here. Yeah, it appears in the text box. Framer, Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, and Adobe Photoshop. It works. Yeah, it's good. That's fine. So now, when I click on Sketch, I want the drop-down list disappear. Okay, and also we need the arrow to be down. Okay. So drop-down item, drop-down list. Yeah, this one. So drop-down list dot class list dot toggle, open parenthesis, and active, and also we need to add the arrow. Dot class list dot toggle, open, and then show toggle. Sure. Let's try and refresh our browser. Boom, that's fine. I like it. Let's continue. So what else? So now, once I click on Adobe XD and I open the drop-down list, I want it to be activated. So let's do it. We are going to add something like this. Drop-down item. Drop-down item. So in this case, we are going to use for each. I need the loop. For each. So we need the item, and also in function. Okay. So if item dot inner text equals list dot inner text. So item dot class list dot add the class to be active. Item here. Let's correct item dot class list dot add. Okay, else item dot class list dot remove active. Save it. So let's add this class on style CSS. So we have drop down items, drop down item dot active color. Okay, save, go back. Let's refresh our browser. You see that it's activated. So let's try something else. When I click on sketch, I got sketch here, and also there is something wrong. What happened? This function needs to be here, the arrow advanced listener. Like that. Okay, so let's save and try, refresh. So let's click on Figma, for example, and let's open the drop down list. Yeah, Figma is activated. Figma, and also Figma, sketch. Boom, I got it. Yeah, we made it. That's fine. Good. It works now successfully. We are going to call item, and I need a variable for this class. Content. Let's call it item active equals document dot query selector all, because we have a lot of items. That's why we use query selector all. Okay, so let's copy this class and dot item, save, and also we are going to create a function here, item active dot for each the types active item, for example, and also I need this. Okay, so now we have a condition here, if active items item dot inner text equals list text dot inner text. So active item dot class list dot add active, else active item dot class list dot remove active. So let's style this active with we need We need item, so item dot active background color. Let's pick this color from Adobe and go back to our editor and paste it here. So save it and save JavaScript and go to our editor, I mean live server. So refresh it and open it. You see that is activated. When I click on Figma, is activated. That's fine, it's pretty good. Yeah, that's it, and it was good. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it was fun to create this, and I am looking forward to create more videos because it's fun. I like the process, but of course I will continue doing videos about how to code anything from scratch to code next week. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure also to like and subscribe if you want to support me. Thanks, then I'll see you soon in another video.